Hi Buffett, I'm back again, Buffett. I'm back with another video, Buffett. The story is written by Muroba Muroeng. It says, is General Mkhwanazi linked to corruption? Find out here. Guys, obviously. But if he was linked to corruption, why the allocations or whatever corruption charges didn't come before he dropped the bombs? So now he dropped the bombs, these people are trying to counter-attack. It's just a matter of a game to them. They're counter-attacking him. But let me read the story for you guys. Sol Penduga weighed in on the latest corruption allegation against General Mkhwanazi. The police commission has been facing backlash since he blew the whistle on corruption, and he is now being accused of misconduct. Like Saul, fellow South Africans believe the allegation was orchestrated to damage Mkhwanazi's reputation. I do agree with Abu Saul and the netizens. Now, even if the allegations are true, come on now. Why are they coming out now? So these people have been sitting on corruption for a while now, or they've been blackmailing him. If you come out, we'll show this to the world. Come on now. Sol Penduga waiting on General Mkhwanazi's land. Things have gone downhill for General Mkhwanazi since he blew the whistle on the corruption in the country. The KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner implicated General Shadrack Sibiya and Senzo Mchunu in an alleged criminal syndicate during a media briefing on July 6, 2025. After having the tables turned on him as he faces his own corruption allegation, which briefly reported was over tender fraud, Mkhwanazi is once again facing another scandal. According to Sunday World, Mkhwanazi is being accused of misconduct in the kidnapping of Zek Desai. He and his men allegedly took personal property belonging to Ismail Malaud Ramos Nengi, Stefan Pereza da Costa and Brats, and Samkeli Somlojwa. Responding to the reports was Sol Penduga, who exclaimed, "It has begun," seemingly alluding to having expected it. Obviously, everybody expected. Everybody who follows politics and follows these things knows that's how they work. That's how they work. That's how they counter-attack. Throw allegation on you, then suspend you because they have powers to suspend you because they're superiors. Responding to the reports was Sol Penduga exclaimed, the stolen items include the Rolex watches, a Mercedes-Benz, and 53,000 in cash. Mkhwanazi and his men face charges of adoption, torture, arson, perjury, and illegal extradition. South Africans are uneasy about the allegation and suspect that they are orchestrated after the provincial commissioner stepped on several corruption toes. Here's what Mzansi said about General Mkhwanazi's allegation. Social media users said they were not surprised, and many continue to stand with General Mkhwanazi. Seriously, bro, serious. You can't be swayed by these people. Why were they not charging him before? They charge him after. Wow. Nati wrote, his contract ends in December. The aim is that when the time comes, there must be an investigation into him so that he is not considered for the renewal or reappointment. Whether the allegations are true or made up, they don't care but want to taint him so that he goes. Yeah, I do agree with you, man. Hlatile Mpunga asked, what if this is what the general was trying to avoid by coming out? He knew his time was up but decided to take the whole corruption police service down with him. Come on now. Come on. Be real, man. Come on. Anyway, he has helped the citizen if he does. If the police is corrupt to the core from the top, then he has helped us, man. He has helped us. Tina benefit as the citizens. Sipho made added they are using a predictable strategy. Too much, Sipho, man. Too much. They should use other strategies. Not this one. Styles like Dalis. Bob Mzansi responded, we knew it was coming, right? I am Sfiso posted, they were never just gonna let it slide just like that. They might go to jail, Pele. It's serious, Baba. Guys, this is serious. Explicit 88 commented, these attacks on LT General Mkhwanazi reek of retaliation. A man who exposed corruption at the highest levels is now being targeted with flimsy claims and zero evidence. South Africa must see through the smoke screen. I don't. Daily Malinga shows support for General Mkhwanazi. In earlier post, Briefly News said Daily Malinga's sentiments about corruption after General Mkhwanazi exposed alleged culprits. The former Generation actress joined a march in support of Mkhwanazi and urged fellow South Africans to speak up against corruption. Join me in support of General Mkhwanazi after he blew a whistle to show that it's up to us to fight against crime. So guys, time is up now. Stop sitting around. Let us all support the general. Where are the generals from other provinces? Some people are just in trouble. Imagine all the generals follow this general from other provinces. At least we can fight half of the crime, or some percent, 20%, because crime is too much in this country, guys. But anyway, guys, subscribe, like. This is Azanian Politics. This is your boy Tim. See you in the next video.